Hi guys, and welcome to another unboxing and first impressions. Today we're unboxing a new model from Tuseno, a Swedish brand. Now I already featured Tuseno on my channel with their Shellback diver, and I'll put a link somewhere in the corner of the screen. That watch was absolutely gorgeous with a brushed blue dial, that very cool date. I mean, it had a sandwich dial where the date was almost like a part of the sandwich, and they had that unique hour hand with the cutout that actually was aligned with the letters of the model on the dial. It was an amazing diver with incredible attention to detail. So now they sent me their new model. And in Tuseno fashion, they also sent some sweets, because that time they also sent some Swedish cookies. This time this is some original Swedish fish, fruity flavor. Very cool. Okay, so that's becoming a tradition with them. Let's get the watch out. So thank you, Alex, for sending this. Okay, move this away. This is the outer box. Tuseno Göteborg. Okay, inside we have another box, and this one is done with a cork, and they already sized the watch and put the links here. This is a very interesting material for a watch box or a carrying watch box. Very nice. So this is something you can use with your other watches as well, and just like that one, you actually have to pop it out, so the watch is very secure inside. This is actually pretty brilliant, because as your box moves around and tumbles around, the watch stays in place. Wow, very nice. And here is the new model called the Windseeker. So this is like a sports model, and the way I see it, it's the most similar to the Omega Aquaterra. And again, it is a stunner. As you can see, it's stainless steel with combination of brushed and polished surfaces, and I do like they kept the tops brushed with this polished bevel, because this is the thing that's gonna pick up scratches, and a brushed finish hides scratches very well. 39 millimeters in diameter, 47 lug to lug with a female end link, so it is a true total lug to lug of the watch, and just 10.5 millimeters thick. And as you can see, it really does look thin, especially when you consider it's a 39 millimeter watch. Comes with a matching brushed bracelet that also has the chamfers or the edges polished, as you can see, to match the case. Very nice. And the sides are polished on both the bracelet and the case. Very cool. The star of the show is again the dial, just like on the Shellback, which was just stunning. This one, that one had vertical brushing. This one has like a radial finish or sunburst effect, but it also has these vertical lines. Unlike the Aquaterra that has them pretty straight, these are slightly bent, like something you would see on a globe. Very cool. Here is the cutout for the date, again done in a circle and again at 6 o'clock. The hands are beveled, and so are the hour markers. The one thing that's going to be different on the production models, because this is a prototype, the tops of the markers are going to be brushed. So the markers are going to be a combination of brushed and polished surfaces, while here they're all polished. Also, they're going to be changing this minute track. So as you can see now, the minute track has no color on it, which makes it slightly less visible, although they do catch the light. But on the production models, these are going to be printed white to make them stand out from this beautiful blue background. These are going to be available in a slate gray dial, a white dial, and this one, the blue one. And it really is like a combination, something between a blue and gray. It is really beautiful. As you can see, the rehaut has been actually engraved with the minute markings, which is pretty cool and something I've never seen before. The crystal is sapphire with inner AR only, and the case back is also transparent, and again a sapphire crystal at the back as well. The bracelet has, as you can see, the quick release pins, and the watch is powered by the Sellita SW-200. The bracelet is solid end links, solid links, and a butterfly clasp that's been milled out and also has some perlage. Very nice. Okay, let me just close it. As you can see, makes for a very nice design. Very cool. Now, if this is anything like the Shellback, I will have to remove all this. This is gonna be amazing in quality. I was really impressed with the Shellback, not only the design but also the way it felt. It was just a very high quality timepiece. Let me just unscrew the crown. It does come with a screw-in crown, 100 meters of water resistance. So a really nice sports watch that's not a diver. So if you're not into divers but want something that you can wear everywhere, this is a watch for you. And not to mention, it's really gorgeous. I do like the color splash of the seconds hand at the top of the seconds hand, and as you can see on the text of the dial. Very cool. Anyways, that's it. So this, like I said, is just the unboxing and first impressions. Again, naturally it does have hacking. Like I said, the screw-in crown. So do stay tuned for the full review when I do the macro shots and give my opinion after I spend some time with the watch. Like this, I really do like it. Let's just put it on my 6.7-inch wrist so you can see how it wears. And we're also gonna do a lume shot, and that's gonna be it for today. So let me just remove my watch, put this thing on, see if they managed to size it correctly. And here it is on my 6.7-inch wrist. They did manage to size it perfectly, 39 by 47. It does wear nicely. It doesn't overhang. It's pretty thin, but it does wear slightly larger than 39 because of the dial. The size of the dial is quite large. Unlike the Hex Mariner that I reviewed recently, that's also 39 but wears much smaller. Very nice fit and a very comfortable bracelet. Okay, let's do the lume shot and call it a day. So let me just charge the watch for a few seconds. Bring it back. Zoom in. Let the camera focus. And turn off the lights. And there we go. It comes with Super Luminova. The lume is pretty thin in application, but it is good given the amount of it. Very nice. Okay, and as you can see, I just noticed that the crown does have this star on it. It's like an embossing. Very cool. These are going to be priced at $600 plus tax. They should become available by the end of 2022. For us in the European Union, the price is $750 because those $600 doesn't include tax, but 750 euros does include tax. So within the EU, you won't be paying any additional taxes or import duties. Very nice piece of Swedish design. Very simple, but yet has so many details. Very nice. I can't wait to see it under macro, but the Shellback was, like I said, a very well made watch. So I'm pretty sure this is going to be excellent under macro as well. I do like the way it plays with the light, and I really do like their take on this dial with vertical stripes. Very cool. Anyways, that's it. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.